Beauregard Rippy and Harlow here over in Westerville, Ohio, Friday, the 18th of December. And I just made a deal off of Craigslist. I had a back alley Craigslist deal and ended up, I want to show this huge deal of the Indian, Honda, Polaris, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Trumpet, Ducati. But I buy my tires off online, and this one was on Craigslist, brand new stock. It's for the quad, top quality, made in USA. New old stock, a fraction of the cost new. And I do my own tire mounting, but these guys will mount your tires for you. This is an old Kmart building, and the whole back room's full of new tires. They have enough clothes for the whole city of Columbus easily. So Ohio is fourth in the list of states with motorcycles registered. California leads the nation with the most registered motorcycles in the United States. It's California, Texas is second, Illinois is third, and Ohio is fourth in registered motorcycles. This is a motorcycle Superstore. And it's pretty impressive that we have the bikes because we have winter here. And then in the summertime, bikes park all out here and people go in and get parts. It's like a big party. And there's a door to the right, and there's a door to the left, to the back. These are brand new motorcycles, and then I want to see the used, and I want to see the classics. Here's a monkey in blue, the African in the patriotic color. Is the Honda 1200 Africa. Some nice Hondas. They sell Indians here. They have Indian parties with the stunt riders and factory demo rides. There's the bike that built the Honda Corporation right there. The Cub. One of them for Christmas. So I haven't been here since they built this part. I haven't been here in a while. I'm not sure what this display is with the. It's like an upside down bathtub, they call them. Pretty cool display there. So Polaris is a Canadian company that they're Spirit Lake, Minnesota or something that their assembly plant's at. This looks like the flagship model. Limited edition Chief. Hi. Howdy. Got the thumbs up from the help. Check out that Power Plus engine. Check out the displays over there. There's your stereo speaker in the cover. Yeah. Never thought they'd bring it back, but they did, and it took a few times. So you get the idea here. Oh, here's a classic over here. We have to look at the classic. She's doing the clothes. I even have chairs embroidered with Indian. Can't see them. Check out the display. Some bikes from the 20s over here. So they bring in the wall of death and the girls get up on the handlebars. And I've known a couple girls that been on the stunt bikes. And one of them got tore up. I wonder why they're over at his place. Oh, they're riding out at T's old. They're riding out at T's place. I noticed that. So, not sure. Early 20s, I guess. I don't know. And there's your kickstart on the right. The Springer front end. Your shifters over here. The chains on that side. Check out the brake. It's got like a band, like off a freaking industrial crane or something. It has the old band brake with the lining. Incredible. Big cast iron kickstand. Your ignition in there. And oh, they have Vanderhalls. They have several Vanderhalls in stock, a whole row of them. And your ATVs back there. And I want to check back with there's a restaurant in here with neat displays. And then out here is just parts galore. I'm serious. The clothing. So a Vanderhall dealer, slingshots. There's a row of slingshots over there. This is kind of the outdoor corner. This is the Yamaha. Back there's the tires. A whole room full of tires and racks. 2, 3, 5 high to the ceiling. So yeah, I was back here. This is where the dealerships used to be. And I want to look at some Suzukis. And these guys, so we're missing Kawasaki, and we're seeing the Kawasaki selling right now. I'm not seeing them so far. But yeah, check out the slingshots real quick. There's one in green over here. A Vanderhall with a hardtop. I've never seen one of those yet until now. There's a few of them that go by the house, and he has side pipes on his Vanderhall, which are a big step above slingshot money-wise. From what I remember, but our shows are closed this year. Okay, I've never seen this before. The green slingshot has a hard top. Incredible. But over here at the bike shop in Westerville, guys, a motorcycle Superstore. These are a few of these are shown sold. The Scouts. It's that time of year, guys. And thanks for watching my videos. Beauregard Rippy, little snapshot of Iron Pony Motorsports, Westerville. Thank you.